Hey there, in this video I will show you how to record your screen on a Windows 11 PC without downloading any third-party software. That's right, no OBS, no Bandicam, no sketchy downloads, just using the built-in tools that come with Windows. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest and fastest way to record your screen on Windows 11 is by using the Xbox Game Bar. And no, you don't have to be a gamer to use it. Just press Windows plus G on your keyboard. This will open up the Xbox Game Bar overlay. You will see a bunch of floating panels. Don't get overwhelmed. Look for the panel called Capture. If you don't see it, don't worry. Just click the camera icon in the top bar or press Windows plus Alt plus R to start recording instantly. Now, here is one important thing to know. Xbox Game Bar can't record your desktop or File Explorer. It only works with apps or windows that are open. So if you want to record a browser like Chrome or Edge or a software like Word or Excel, you're good. Once you have the app open, just press Windows plus Alt plus R and the recording will begin. You will see a small bar at the corner with a timer and a stop button. To stop the recording, click the stop button or press Windows plus Alt plus R again. Boom, that's it. Your screen is now recorded. Now you might be wondering, where did the video go? Just open File Explorer, go to your videos folder, then Captures. That's where all your Game Bar recordings are saved automatically in high quality. The file will be an MP4 video ready to share, upload, or edit. Now, what if you don't use Xbox Game Bar or it's not working? No worries, let me show you how to turn it on. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. Click Gaming, then click Xbox Game Bar. Make sure the toggle that says Open Xbox Game Bar using this button on a controller is turned on. Even if you're not using a controller, also make sure that background recording is enabled in the Captures section. Now, if you're using a Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise Edition and Game Bar isn't available, you might need to enable it through Group Policy or check with your admin. But in most cases, it's ready to go right out of the box. Quick tip: if you want to record your voice along with the screen, make sure your mic is enabled. When you open the Game Bar, you will see a mic icon. Click it to turn it on during the recording. You can also adjust system volume and app volume while you record, all inside the Game Bar. So yeah, screen recording on Windows 11 is simple, fast, and doesn't cost a thing. No need to install any apps. It's already there waiting for you. Just remember, Xbox Game Bar works only inside open apps or games, not on the desktop or system menus. And hey, if this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips. Got any questions or want to learn how to edit those recordings too? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.